Maharashtra State Board, Standard 10th, Science and Technology, Part 2. Important questions. Name the following or give the examples of following. First question is genetic disorder caused due to mutation, and the answer is sickle cell anemia. Second question, vestigial organ in human being. The answer is appendix, tailbone, coccyx, wisdom teeth, and body hair. Third question, connecting links. And the answer is peripatus, duck-billed platypus, lungfish. Question number 4, connecting link between reptilia and mammals. And the answer is duck-billed platypus. Question number 5, coenzyme that help in cellular respiration. And the answer is NADH2 and FADH2. Question number 6. Scientist who discover process of glycolysis. And the answer is Gustav M. Baden, Otto Meyerhoff, and Jacob Parnas. Question number 7. Protein formed in body. Melanin, keratin, eosin, hemoglobin. Question number 8. Hormone synthesis from fatty acid. And the answer is progesterone, estrogen, testosterone, aldosterone. Question number 9. Method of asexual reproduction. And the answer is fission, fragmentation, budding, spore formation, vestigial propagation. Question number 10. The modern technique in reproduction. And the answer is in vitro fertilization, surrogate mother, sperm bank. Question number 11. Gland associated with male reproductive system. And the answer is seminal vesicle, prostate gland, Cooper's gland. Question number 12. Hormones secreted by ovary. And the answer is estrogen and progesterone. Abiotic factors. Oxygen, hydrogen, and all the gases. Soil, water, minerals, sunlight, etc. Biotic factors. Answer is plants, animals, and microbes. Any two environmental laws, and the answer is Forest Conservation Act 1980 and Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Question number 16. Forms of energy, and the answer is mechanical energy, chemical energy, sound energy, light energy, heat energy, thermal energy, solar energy, nuclear energy. Question number 17. Major thermal power plant in India. And the answer is Vindhyanagar, Mundra, Tamnar, Chandrapur. Question number 18. Major nuclear power plant in India. Kundankulam, Tarapur, Rawatbhata, Kaiga. Question number 19. Natural gas based power plant in India. The answer is Samral Kota, Anjanvel, Bhavna, Kondapali. Question number 20. Major hydroelectric power plant in India. And the answer is Tehari, Koina, Sri Sailam, Neptha Jakri. Question number 21. Types of cheese. Answer is cottage cheese, cream cheese, mozzarella, cheddar cheese, parmesan. Question number 22. Microbes used for production of beverage. And answer is Lactobacillus brevis, Candida, Hansenula, Pichia, and Saccharomyces. Question number 23. Microbial enzyme. And the answer is oxireductase, transferases, hydrolases, isomerases, and ligases. Question number 24. Microbes used for reproduction. Microbes used for production of beverage. And the answer is Lactobacillus brevis, Candida, Ancilla, Pichilia, Saccharomyces. Question number 25. Organ that can be used in transplantation. And the answer is hearts, liver, kidney, eyes, skins. Question number 26. Genetically modified crops. And the answer is BT cotton, BT brinjal, golden rice. Biofertilizers. Rhizobium, Azotobacter, Nostoc, Enabina. Question number 28. Geological disaster. Earthquake, volcano, tsunami, landslide, erosion, salination. Question number 29. Diseases endangering the social health. Answer is AIDS, tuberculosis, leprosy. Question number 30. International man-made disaster. The answer is war, fire, terrorism, riots, bomb blasts, etc.